Just arrived. I'm going to collect baggage. You catch a lift, go down to collect baggage. Come on, come on, come on, come on, go in. Thought a lift came down to collect baggage. Should be an easy process. Catching a train to claim baggage. It's weird. From downstairs, you went upstairs, then caught a train. Now we're going to baggage collection. That looks nice, shiny. English. And here comes our bags. Right there, there. That one is ours. This one is ours. And this one is ours. From Sydney. Not from Sydney, from Melbourne. How's the fuel prices here? Expensive? Should be cheap here, right?
It's not too expensive.
Yeah.
Like some place, like in Dubai Mall, when you're going, it's a very good place. And here it's a little expensive.
Okay. You think we're gonna see Burj anywhere while going to the hotel? No? Where is
It's
it?
coming from the right side. Sorry, left side.
Oh, there it is. Oh my god.
Where is it? Oh.
That's the first time I've seen this damn thing previously. Oh, there it is. The Burj.
Here it's like evening, it's traffic jam everywhere.
Yeah.
Like, especially downtown, but people is very good. Everyone is like that morning and like caring, like respectfully.
Yeah, I heard about that traffic is getting worse, like especially in evenings.
Especially it's evening, like in service areas, it's just jams only. It's highway, it's not too jam.
Yeah.
The service areas, you know, everyone is going to there and visiting, and so that's why it's just jam. Like Dubai Mall, like downtown, and like JBR in
Yeah.
there is like little bit only jams.
Because of tourists, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. It's tourism, it's too much. People is coming to visiting.
So how do you know it's a taxi? It says L in the L, yeah?
Yes, it's L means limousine taxi, and the normal taxi is this one. There is limousine taxi.
Oh, okay. Pretty much all prestige luxury cars are like L.
Yes.
How much is this car here? How much?
It's 250k.
It's ice cream truck. What is that?
How do you think it looks like an ice cream truck?
Sheikh Rashid Street. There you go, you got 520 eyes. The taxi from Emirates.com. This is a different version. Yeah. What's wrong with it? Not enough yellow. Not enough yellow. Well, that is the attraction of this city. Biggest attraction in the world. but that's what. This is what I am not understanding. It's a bit dusty.
No, they just
So in New Year's they just block the whole city,
Yes.
right? No cars, just.
it's
And this apartment thing is pushed too much here actually because people from overseas are just investing, giving out rent. So that thing gonna blow out one day. Too many apartments. Look how many they are building. Too many. Of course the
This is the same in Australian apartments.
yeah. This is what happened over there, right?
Yeah.
Too much of supply. This is where we are. Maybe that one. The Mac. Is there any grocery shop here somewhere? Maybe in here?
this one is there for another building.
Okay.
It's there also, grocery and everything is there.
Should be there, right?
It's restaurant also there.
Alright.
It's more than restaurant.
Did you get a lot of business from here?
Yes, definitely.
Alright. Scan the thing and go in. So we pretty much booked 3 bedroom apartment. That's my son sitting there. Mind the luggage. We have plenty of luggage. We have to travel more. Just wanna give a quick glimpse how this whole apartment looks and the views we have. A bit of a kitchen there. Good microwave. Induction top. Nice kitchen. TVs are useless. It has no smart features, no YouTube, no nothing. Nice sitting area. Nice dining, actually. You can see Burj. It's quite high. Windows are not that clean. Windows are very dusty. Did you like the hotel, Abhi?
It's pretty good. The view's very good.
Views are very good, of course, especially the one you have. Got nice views. There is the master. A very nice big master. Let me zoom out. A TV. An open bath. It's not open. I mean, it has. Of course, you can do that. Shower area. Very nice view. I mean, you have balconies. You have balconies in every room, and you have a Burj view, which is fantastic. What a view! What a view! Yeah. Straight from the hotel. There's your Burj. So the place where we are staying, that's the night view. At night, this place just looks very different. Very obviously the Burj is right there. This looks very different. I can't even look downstairs. It's just so scary to me. And that's the pool. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go to that pool tomorrow. Very nice. Look at the traffic. That's alright.
That's the pool on the both side. Both
Oh, wow.
ends. That's like a pool on the both ends.
Yeah.
There.
That's
That's
the whole structure, like 4 towers, A, B, C, D.